paano nga ba i-contact ang GCash Customer Support? In this video, yan yung pag-uusapan natin. Pero syempre, kung bago ka pa lang sa channel na to at gusto mo ng ganitong klaseng content tungkol sa mga freeload, make money online at mga tutorial, please make sure na pa-hit po ng like, subscribe at ang notification bell dahil araw-araw po kami namimigay ng mga mabibigyan namin ng freeload at GCash sa aming mga solid subscribers. Pa-subscribe na rin po para matulungan po ako ma-hit yung 100,000 subscribers bago mag 2030. So ayun na nga mga idol, no? So paano nga ba natin i-contact yung GCash Customer Support? So napakadali lang mga idol, gamit yung TM tsaka Globe SIM nyo po. So punta lang kayo sa dial pad at i-dial lang po ang 2882. Okay, so dial lang po natin. Tapos pakinggan natin, no? Sundin nyo lang para makonect kayo doon sa live agent.
For your protection, never click on links in SMS. Scammers are using illegal cell sites to hijack messages. Remember,
so meron tayong mga susundan ng mga ano dito mga idol. Meron tayong susundan ng mga menu.
Hi, thank you for calling GCash. Please listen carefully as our options have changed. If you are the owner of the account, press 1.
So, press 1 tayo dahil tayo yung may-ari ng cellphone na to. So, press natin yung 1.
To assist you better, please have your GCash number and transaction or ticket reference ready. To follow up on an existing ticket, please go to the GCash app, tap Help, then go to Tickets. For login concerns, press 1. For lost devices, SIM issues, or transfer of funds and services requests, press 2. For transaction concerns, press 3. For reporting fraud, unrecognized transactions, or compromised access, press 4. For questions about your GCash card, press 5. For other inquiries, you may visit the help center at help.gcash.com. To hear the options again, press 6.
So, pili po kayo idol kung saan po kayo kung ano po yung concern po natin. So, sample na lang po natin, piliin natin yung number 4, no?
Press 1 for account takeover. Press 2 for unauthorized transaction. Press 3 for follow-up on ticket status. Press 4 for other concerns. Press 5. To hear the options again, press 6.
Okay, so press 6 natin idol.
For scam-related concerns, press 1 for account takeover. Press 2 for unauthorized transaction. Press 3 for follow-up on ticket status. Press 4 for other concerns. Press 5. To hear the options again,
so,
press 6.
Pwede nating i-press 5 para makonect tayo doon sa agent.
In order to help you, we may ask for some personal information. If you agree to the collection and usage of your data according to GCash's data privacy policy, press 1. Otherwise, press 0 or end this call.
So mag-press 1 tayo para ma-reconnect tayo doon sa live agent. Oops.
You will now be connected to the next available customer representative. Please note that this call will be recorded for training and quality assurance purposes.
So ayun mga idol, no? So magkakaroon ng waiting time dahil sa marami pong tumatawag sa GCash. So maghintay lang po tayo, no, na ma-reconnect tayo. So try natin hintayin at ma-reconnect sa ano natin, live agent. Ayun na mga idol.
Thank you for calling GCash Support. My name is Kat. Can I have your GCash number? Good morning po.
Hello po, good morning.
Yes po. Ano po yung GCash number niyo before we proceed po?
So ayun mga idol, nakamute tayo, no? So live chat agent na po yung kausap natin. Okay? So nakamute tayo para sample lang naman kung paano nyo makontakt yung GCash Customer Support. Okay? So, X natin. I hope na nakatulong tong video na to mga idol, no? And sana ay pahit na po ng ating like, subscribe at ang notification bell para sa mga susunod na mga tutorials at tips at tricks na gagawin natin.